So I wanted to just share, continuing the conversation of creativity, wealth, and God-given talents. Books. If you are creative in writing, poetry, or design, or something like that, two websites that I wanted to share with you: kdp.amazon.com and also Canva, Canva.com. Both of these options are free. There are a lot of different things that we could do to get started for free. You can literally create, let's say, for example, you went into Canva and you typed in workbook. Let's say I click on this one here. It shows you the template, and literally all you have to do, you just change it up. So if you click on elements, let's say I want to add a star. I don't know. 5 stars. I don't know. Just drag it. Boom. Right? I'm going to delete that. If you want to change the font, you select your text, change the font. Boom. And you're like, okay, you know what? I'm done. This is like, bestsellers list. All you have to do is click share. And then when you click share, all you're doing is downloading. You're making a PDF, and any hyperlinks, like if this is an ebook, any hyperlinks will be accessible to your readers. You click download and you have your PDF ready to go. The very next step after that, and of course you'll need a cover. I don't know if, maybe that's what they're calling the cover. Okay. So, especially for an ebook, it just needs to be one page. If it's a paper book back, you will need to format your cover where it is basically 2 pages side by side, because of course when you fold the book, you need a front and back. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. When you're done, like I said, the other website is Amazon KDP. You can Google it. You can say KDP templates. Put a book, publish a book on Amazon. You literally need no money to publish a book on Amazon. Okay. So they do have pages where it'll show you how to create a paperback cover, like within their actual application. Or if you want to bring yours over from Canva, you can do that as well. And they will walk you step by step through the process after you create your free account. Now, the paperback, over on the left hand side, it has all of the nerd facts of what you would need to know about your book. My favorite page, I think, of all, let's see, is it this one here? Okay, so you see I can't find it. So if I forget, I can type template, and here we go. I just lost my spot, but I found it. This will allow you to download templates depending on if you want an ebook, if you want a paperback book. So if I click on download a blank template, it will have all of the margins for you for Microsoft Word. If you click on template with sample content, this is what pops up. Okay, so it shows you, and I kind of jumped some steps, but I just wanted to give you a little sample of what you can do. You can actually publish a book this weekend and have it up by Monday, right? So whatever size book you want. So let's say I want a 5x8 book. Once I double click on that, my Microsoft Word will pop up, and literally all you have to do is start typing. Start typing. Everything is formatted for you. And you see how it's like generic text? All you're doing is, the boy ran down the road. The end, right? Once you're done, you save this as a PDF or as a doc. When you are done with that, you will then come back to KDP. And now I'm signed in. I don't want to. So like with my bookshelf, I think I could just show that. That'll be okay. With my bookshelf, every book that I've published is here. And I won't scroll down too far, but all I have to do, create a new title, I'm telling the system what I am create. I've never done a hardback or a hardcover, but anyways, create paperback. Once you do that, it will walk you through the title, if it's a series, your name, the description of your book. Once you get all the way down here, you select the price of your book, you click submit, and they will email you when your book is live and available for purchase. The end. All right? No excuses. No excuses. Let's start creating. Let's start using our God-given gifts. Now, this video, quick little video, this is for those who just want to be creative in terms of the writing and publishing side of things. But before I end, just know that there are so many other things that you could do. Let's see, add. And I'll come back and I can, you know, do something later where I can show you some other things you could do on Canva. It's my absolute favorite. I do have the premium, but you can do just as much on, well, I mean, you know, there's some things that won't be there, but on the free version, you can double click and literally start to create. You can have an advertisement, something for church, something for a ministry, something for a family reunion. Yeah. That's it. So hopefully this was helpful. Start creating. If you create something, tag me in it. I would love to see what you came up with. God bless.